Okay. Where do you hide a dead body? On page 2 of Google. Get it? Because no one goes on page 2 of Google. Okay, but seriously, like, can you even rank on Google anymore? Hi, I'm Sarah, your friendly neighborhood marketing gal, and today I'm going to talk about Google rankings. Can you rank? How can you rank? And what's the best way to rank on the world's most used search engine? Let's dive in. First of all, let's answer the obvious question. Is it even possible to rank number 1 on Google today? Yes. The good news is that improving your company's rank on Google, or even getting to the top spot, is doable for small to medium-sized businesses, and there is value to this sort of visibility that is worth the effort. You want to be among the top choices, as research shows the top 3 Google search results get 54.4% of all clicks. Therefore, if you rank high, you will generate more traffic to your website. Can you pay for Google rankings? Well, yes, with Google Ads. Google Ads can be used as a way of temporarily boosting Google rankings by strategically investing in certain keywords and key phrases and running campaigns. For example, if you operate a pet grooming business in Colorado Springs, you might choose to invest in phrases such as pet grooming Colorado Springs, pet groomer near me, or Pet Salon Colorado. Based on the value of your investment, your website will show up at a certain ranking in the search results when someone types in a keyword phrase you've selected. The cost of this strategy varies because different keyword phrases have different market values based on their popularity. Consider it like real estate. In real estate, you pay for your location. With Google Ads, you pay for digital real estate. Some areas are more popular than others and incur higher costs per click as a result. So, do Google Ads work on smaller budgets? I get this question a lot, and the hard truth is a small budget of a few $100s would be better invested in some other digital marketing tactics. If you're going to do Google Ads, you should plan to spend at least $1,000 a month on Google Ads in most cases. But 10 times that ad spend, up to $10,000 a month, to really move the needle for your short-term search engine rankings. Furthermore, plan to run your Google Ads for 3 to 6 months at the bare minimum. It usually takes 90 days for Google ad platforms to optimize ad placements based on their machine learning system. And that doesn't include any management fees if you have an agency running those ads for you, which range from $1,000 to $5,000 a month on top of the ad spend. Yeah. But if you're looking for the fastest way to rank at the top of Google, that is it. You gotta pay to play. Paying for Google Ads is generally seen as the quickest way to get a high ranking. However, there are also downsides to this strategy. You have to pay per click, and that cost per click can be high, especially if there is a lot of competition. Additionally, although you're paying for users to click your ad and go to your website, there is no guarantee they're going to convert. In that case, you might not see the ROI you're actually looking for. And before I get into my next point, if you found this information helpful so far, please tap that like button. It really lets me and my team know we're on the right track. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should do it. Just saying. So what's the best way to rank on Google? Well, the other better way is by implementing a consistent and long-term organic SEO strategy that includes the combination of the following. Local SEO, so your website is more visible in local search engines. Technical SEO, so the technical elements of your website are optimized for search engine spiders to more effectively find, crawl, and index your site. And content creation, which refers to creating online content that is useful and relevant to website visitors. If you focus on these different areas, you can enhance your digital footprint and increase your organic search engine rank cumulatively over time. Additionally, you can boost your likelihood that those clicking on your listing are more motivated to convert into customers because they are already actively searching for services like yours. When you provide helpful, relevant content that answers searchers' queries, they'll stay on your website and continue their journey once they are there. This isn't to say there is no cost associated with a customized SEO marketing plan that focuses on organically increasing visibility and traffic, but you'll see a greater long-term ROI because your efforts month over month compound. The result is long-term strategy mirroring that of the folktale of the tortoise and the hare. And we kind of all know who won that race. As I mentioned, using the long-term organic method is more akin to the tortoise. It's slow. But ultimately, how quickly you get to the top of Google's search engine results depends on what strategy you adopt. If you invest enough money in Google Ads, you can get your campaign to a #1 spot fairly quickly. But this is more often perceived as a short-term solution because once your budget is used up, the ads turn off. You have to continue to buy more to stay on top. So this tactic works in times of plenty, but during recessions and tighter times could spell disaster for your business. Building your SEO organically can take more time, but it's a long-term investment that offers better long-lasting results. If you're consistently creating high-quality content, maintaining the technical components of your website, and just overall improving your SEO, it can take about 3 to 6 months to start seeing movement toward the high rankings on Google that you desire, and 12 to 24 months to be ranking in the top spots for many of your most desired keywords. Fortunately, once you've achieved this spot, you don't have to worry about rankings suddenly disappearing if you have to reduce your marketing spend. Everything you do afterward that is SEO related simply strengthens your position. SEO and improving Google search engine rankings can feel somewhat vague, not to mention the constant feeling of shooting a moving target. But analogies aside, it's all true. Google algorithms change so often, like 500 times in 1 year a lot. So don't beat yourself up for not getting it or understanding why your website is just not ranking. There's a lot to know, and as a busy owner or manager, it's difficult to keep up with marketing in general. If you've reached the "I'm done" point with Google, reach out in the comments. What has your experience been like? In addition, my team at Third Angle can work with you to assess how your company is currently ranking on Google and then develop an action plan to improve those search engine rankings. Otherwise, if you found this information helpful, please tap that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, do so. I talk about all kinds of marketing stuff without all the jargon. But that's it for now. I'm Sarah with Third Angle. Thanks for watching. Some areas are hard to read based on their on your Google Ads, which okay.